Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, the viewers. In front of me, Realme GT2, and now I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, let's start with disabling all unnecessary features on this smartphone. So firstly, open the control panel and let's start. So firstly, if you are not using mobile data right now but using Wi-Fi, disable mobile data and leave only Wi-Fi enabled. And if you are using mobile data and not using Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi. If you are not using maps right now or an application that needs location services, just disable location services. If you are not using UB-share, disable it. If you are not using NFC, disable it. And if you don't need to share Wi-Fi, disable portable hotspot and Realme Share 2. So then open settings. Of course, disable auto brightness in the control panel and reduce your screen brightness too. Then open the display and brightness settings and enable dark mode. Why? So because your screen is created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and in the dark places these lamps are disabled. Lamp can't light by black color. Okay, so in black places your screen is just disabled, and in this way you will improve your battery life. Then scroll down and find battery here in settings. Then scroll down and find your GT mode. Disable this mode. This mode will improve your system speed and stability, but it will drain your battery very fast. And here you will see power saving mode. You can enable power saving mode. In this mode your device will live longer. And here you need to enable turn on at specified battery level if you want to automatically enable power saving mode when your power falling under 13 or 15, for example, 13, 15 or 30%, or disable it if you want to enable it manually. And of course you have super power saving mode. In this mode your device will live really long. In this way your smartphone with 70% will live during 2 days. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.